'Tis another day. Build, build, build. Let's get it done. Done for today. Let's check out it. Blurry as fudge. There we go. Check out some lighting. Yeah. And there will be covers in between here, so you won't be able to see it. Yes, but you can see my cool watch face. Anywho, so this is the cold room. I think once we get some more strippies of things hanging down, it'll look better, because this one's really bright. But we have these fools up here. That one just has to be adjusted, which setting it's on, it's not going to stay stroby.
You like my jar of eyes?
I like your jar of eyeballs.
Oh, wait, there we go.
And then so the light is focusing there and there, which are non-scare areas. The scare is there and there. Okay, this one has to be adjusted on where it's pointing, but I'm gonna have an orange light. I think it'd look good in here in the greenhouse, because the green laser is gonna be about waist level. There's some beautiful blue lighting. I wish our eyes saw it as beautiful as this. It's pretty dim. Look how nice this looks. My eyes don't see it like that. And then this is not going to be strobing over here. It'll be set on a different one. Maybe purple, maybe orange. Not 100% sure which one of these. But I kind of like the like cut in half light right there.
I like the contrast.
I agree.
I almost walked into that. Bonk. You know, might need a little something on there, because people are going to walk right into it. Ow. Got the darker room. Actually, it's the hallway. No, it's not the hallway. It's the closet. So even though you can see the lasers through there and that light through there, there can be a whole lot of stuff in here preventing you from seeing what's out. And then da-da-da-da-da-da, Skelly Disco room. Dun, dun, dun. Let me grab the cord. I'm on this side. Yeah.
God, I hate this open so much.
Yeah, so you can really only see when someone's moving.
Wait, pause roll.
Gonna hold still? See? You can't see them.
Barely, yeah.
Now move. Ah, it's disturbing. Probably one of the only effects that works the same with the camera and in real life. So disturbing. Now, skellies. You may not really be able to see until you're close to them that they're skellies, but oh, it's nice. Very, very nice. And then this one doesn't have its lights on just yet. Hey, watch the cords. So what do you think of the lighting so far?
I love it.
Yay! Got some lighting up in the upside down room. Oh yeah. I love these black lights because they can be connected end to end instead of having to plug in each individual one. Very, very nice. Did a little bit of decorating in the office area and started covering it. Got a lot of work done on the front of the haunt. Just need to decide which one of the coffins that we're using. Probably the smaller one that lights up. And then adding one more curtain behind it, which is that one. Kind of a lacy looking thing. Top is totally covered. And the lights that are going to be in here are these, which obviously those need to be hot glued. But they do add a lot of light in here, so it won't be lacking of light. And then I just need to cover up this window hole thing. And I got this back here. I always try and put something black behind it so it's not so obvious that it's literally just screwed to the wall. Sup, dude? There you go. Your nose needs to peek out. And that one's a potential scare. See, I always set up multiple scares so that the people who go through a few times or just ruin it for everyone in line, what they say might not be what actually happens. Because we have drop panel there, window pop-out scare there. We can do something there, or pop out here, or just from behind the coffin or the curtains. And then, let me shut it. Absolutely official sign. Well, it says 13 behind it because it was used obviously for the hotel. So just made a quick sign for that. And the top of this is 99% covered. When you got weird shapes like that where it goes out and then back in, sometimes it's a little tricky. Made this much sturdier. See, it doesn't move. Hello, dude. And now it is time to cut that hole for the TV. We're gonna have our Stormy Night playing in the window. Cool thing is just have some curtains covering it, and it's harder to tell that it's just a TV. And now it's time to cut the mirror scare hole. Well, we got a pretty good amount of things done in here. We put the lights where they need to go, cover the tops. Got the hole cut for the TV. We'll see about getting some furniture in here. It's supposed to rain eventually because all this icky smoke has filled our skies with yuck. So, made sure all of the totes were covered. And anything that shouldn't be out in the weather is already put up. And then we got this effect done. I still need to super glue the broken one. I just love how that looks. But this effect didn't really go exactly how I like. So I think what I'm going to do actually is put a hinge on this piece that was cut out. Put the mirror reflective stuff on it and have it like a little door that they can open up. So I like that a lot better. But I think they look pretty good. And that other painting that I got, just popped it up there. Get some decor. Very nice, very nice. And that's it for now. See you soon, ghouls.